Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, Brony, ma, Brony, ma, Papa Kumasi go abroad. Or see a hole, you want to me, I war. You want my daddy go. What I know, fair, what do be now? Oh, I'm gonna. You give him a big tactical format. I sam nabe. Somebody wife us sam nabe. I feel I wanted. What the corners. What the corners. I wanted. What the corners.
Yeah, some more pass watch a pow. Oh, what time? Smoke quite many blue. Oh, yeah, some more. Oh, bro, oh, Mamma Begina has a time on when you remember quite Juma. Oh, for fetch him. Why wouldn't you have which time? In your bed, down we are fetch him. Say, Pa, Nina say, me what fast. They say, ye who know. Said Brunina, what you watching a shabby bino. Ya, meaning baby, I say, me what fast or walk up now. My own Kumasi and cow. Oh, me ya me say, me ya say, or in Nipano, afa uncle for a pamono. Oh, so my boy pass me and cook me off as no second yo. That be a nam nim. It me slow. Young cock, Bruni Bano. Na, one in Kokasa. They say me cock, na me cow, no, I want teaching, or no, so I want English. Oh, friend, no, my son. There be. Oh, or Ni Chrome Casa not Spanish now not. Oh, Miss Sontia corner direction only in Kokasa. What do you say you? Who bear Chrome hands and a meba? What's the hatch almost there 22 years? Wouldn't him almost living and only Momo Casa. Want me, you'll be sana. Want to Musukrampong, so sanity, or the auto Mocasano. Young cock, me call Miss Macos at times. Me cobia, to say, me Casapra won't feel me. The meaning is a mente or Mocasan in Tio. What's what to Mocasano? See, I'm going on and Kokasa, mammy. Mr. Say, I hear what things are now, cheap radia. When to me can't, won't feel me. Who throw me rough, ask me a colabi man. So, what address in one? Why am I addressing now? Offer if I never for Bassin. Oh, Bassin, dear, hey, and they have me for I the coming soon, crossing, saying, yes, guy, no, and now Bopa say, Omoku, you can know, no, more tata, no, and the money, silent number, chroma, which no, so me a short saying, yes, guy, no, and now Bopa, and more tata, Pabna. Let me over there, Kumasi now. You could do what? And we put in and I have to Yapabass will play their bed 3 steps and now 4 steps near. Okay. Why, it's a Hayani Befabass. Sunday and Chedi, a big rubber. Oh, and my son and I do consistent. Yeah, 61. I am a better before. So, me the crop says the S guy, no, and I'm more tata brown. Yes, see, to me, sorry. You can't say Quabrant, nobody a book up now. So, and you is over Club Hall, or not only baby a walker, when you baby I want now. So, you remember, I say, one papa, say you come off, I say, or be free, you can't say, Ghana, Ababe Tumwa, no Quabrant and afford them. I can't say Jabroni, HD, my comment no 7 in Nara, Quabrant so be Jabroni, HD. Oh, Kumasi no don't come in the action. I will say, oh, I'm sorry. I want my money, young Shino. What I say, me a sure say, me dear, the ex guy no na bopa. So on tata, Pabrando Munkuno. So when you're the chidi. You can't go to the woman say, and you will be a never no police station. I question case Martin Tiena, so go to Martin Beba. Let's check 3 steps, 4 steps. Oh, you come off if they be a Mekopia. Why not say, or can't a young and you on English and I say, cheap crumb, I meant to be a beer, or didn't go fast in a papa crochet. But all of you. Well, and then 1 year, on no crime only. Yepa. Many hi. I'm from you.
Oh, I'm also fine.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Easy. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Sugar.
Oh, okay.
So, where's Kumasi?
Yes, we are also looking for him. Like some days now, I have not heard nothing from him, so I don't know where he is.
Oh, boy, what's your
Don't you have to telephone?
I call him, he don't pick. Sometimes the phone is off, sometimes he don't pick. I don't know.
It's away. Pabi Sunset says
so where is he?
Yes, I don't know.
How's Kumasi?
I tell him already, I don't know where he is. But he's always fighting with me, so I don't know.
Are you sure you don't know where Kumasi is?
No, I don't know really. I'm also looking for him. I even talked to her right now that I was calling him.
Yeah, he's saying you are fighting for Kumasi.
No, I didn't fight. There was an issue like my Maxi, my ex-boyfriend, was like want to fight Papa Kumasi, and I didn't know that. So
then I'm open a kuno. Then I'm
They want to kill him. You know any?
They want to kill him.
Yeah, you know something about that?
No, I don't know. I don't know. He's always fighting with me, and I don't know why.
Yeah, easy.
You understand? So we are just also looking for him. I call him, he don't pick my call, nothing.
Yeah, I say my work now. Obwa. The bia omo chi akwa me offer ase ne bono. The bia no bi chensi no. Omo pene kuno. Bisan so wen. Eti ba bia akwa me offer ase ne me de hye ne hye bia. Omo ko pene ma de ma me.
Wait, Magna. Wait, maybe you don't want him to know the secrets. Can you just tell me just now?
No, there's no secret.
So you don't know anything about
I don't know, really. I'm calling him, he's not picking. I don't know where he is.
Since when you start calling him?
Some days ago now. Like I think 2 days, 3 days.
Huh?
I can't.
Who can't throw? Why 2 days?
He's always fighting with me. Oh, why?
Name me why?
Oh.
The
issue is very difficult, you know. My ex want to get me back, and I was listening.
Do you know any person that I can get a contact to try? Maybe if I can get him or something.
Papa Kumasi.
Yeah.
I can give you his number when you want, but I don't know. Even me, I cannot get him. Even my girlfriend, I call her, I tell her the same story. We talk. She also says she have not heard from him, so I don't know where he is.
What's it?
Sister, I want to in Canada and then be sending enough for no be asking you whereabouts. This is a benefit.
Yeah, benny there. Say, oh, no, next year, oh, man, for Penacuno. Oh, they be an uncle for chance in Penacuno. Oh, my from mammy, oh, Ghana, I catch them. Since it's in the bano, say, well, me and Penny Pumasibre, I'm young for now, Magano, betting and no more Kuno. Oh, one yenny papa po. One yenny papa, baby, or be an only baby or share. One chlemmy, baby, or share. I'm in fact, I'll go back to Ghana.
It's too much.
I know. But
he's always fighting with me, but I'm telling you serious, I don't know what is going on and I don't know where he is.
That's seriously, you don't know?
I swear, I don't know. If I was now, I would tell you and I would tell him because of course he's your uncle. He wants to know where Papa Kumasi is. Okay. But he too, he's my guy, so I also want to know where he is.
Now, Bisani said, he has your friend said, he has boyfriend. I will pet Papa Kumasi Kunu, they didn't into a way. Bisani said, dear Abena, open a friend.
Your ex-boyfriend.
Where he is?
Yeah.
He's home, I think. I don't know. I don't have.
But do you know the reason why you want to beat Papa Kumasi?
He's jealous. He's jealous because he cannot understand why me I want to go to a black guy. So he's jealous.
You are shame.
Oh, I don't like that you are telling me this.
Easy. So Mabina, have you asked a police? Have you reported the police or something?
Yeah, I was there. I was have an appointment there and I talked to them because, but they said I can also not do more. Yeah.
Kan we express Dutch with a friend? Maybe you know something about Papa Kumasi or something.
Ach so, ja, hat gefragt, ob du auch irgendwie was von ihm gehört hast, von Papa Kumasi oder?
Nee.
Unnim.
Nicht?
Gar nicht.
Okay.
Sie kennt ihn ja auch nicht so gut, ne? She
Yeah.
don't know him more. She
Really?
just seems sometimes with me and...
Okay, this is what we are going to do, right? We too, we have to report to the police. So in case if police people come to your place, know that we too, you have to make a report.
Yeah.
If something happens to Papa Kumasi, you two have to be in problem because you have to know where Papa Kumasi is.
Yeah.
He's your boyfriend, right? So I think, yeah. So that's it, okay? So please.
And talk to him that he calm down, okay?
Then calm down.
He's always fighting with
But
me.
I say
me mati do kano.
Because I don't
Me no
have...
me come me ba 15 years ni. Paper kwa mo pese mo be ma me. Paper kwa mo pese mo be ma
I
me.
don't have any problem with you, so...
Me dia me no problem. Me no wo pa wo. Chicha me wo fa ase ma me. Ma fro ma me abona ma ne. Pe me wo fa ase ma me. Enye sa de be si wo ene mo be kume.
Yeah.
African people, they are giving pressure to him.
Yeah,
that's why.
I understand.
That's why
but
it's really
for me
hungry,
also, it's
you know?
not easy. You understand?
Yeah,
and I'm not coming
but
angry
in
because.
case of anything, please
Yes.
let us know, okay?
Yeah, I will know. I will let you know. We have numbers so we can talk.
Okay.
Okay.
Papa, why? Why?
Okay. Have a nice day. Yeah.
Same to you. Thank you so much. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Choose.
Na mo ntwem na mo behu ade be enkwase asem no mu di no no ma bi wo honom na se ya pele Kumasi blesses ya mo an onim be bi ohye.
Aber ich verstehe einfach nicht, warum der immer so mit mir streitet. Ja, verstehe ich auch. Der redet mit mir, keine Ahnung. Kann ich doch nichts für.
Ja.
Oder?
Nee, eigentlich nicht. Ne?
Ich meine, ich würde ja auch gerne wissen, wo er ist. Ich rufe ihn an, er geht nicht ans Telefon.
Ich hab das schon gemerkt. Hast du mir schon erzählt.
Ich verstehe das nicht.
Ach so.
Macht mich auch alles traurig. Erst habe ich diesen einen Vogel, jetzt den...
I said it to say, you know, yeah. Now you can speak tree because of Papa Kumasi. And even me, I teach you some. Yeah, how are you? How is everyone? Yeah. No, I went to pick something. I'm about to go home. You said? Papa Kumasi called. Uh-huh. Where? In Ghana. Wait, I want to hear more. And that's nice. I'm happy to hear that because the uncle was here 3 days ago asking me about Papa Kumasi and I told him I don't know where it's at. Yeah. Oh, but it's nice. So it's okay. Oh, I'm happy to hear that. I'm happy. Now even you can sleep, you know. Yeah. Oh. I'm happy to hear that. Yeah. And you know, even I told you that I'll be going to Ghana next month. So I can even go and search for him. He gave you his number? Yeah. Oh. And if you don't mind, we can even go together, if you don't mind. Yeah, you have to take Ola, the most Ola name. Yeah. But I'll be going next month, so I will take his number and then call him. Oh, but I'm happy to hear that. So that his uncle would stop disturbing us. Oh, yeah. I will go and search for him. Oh, I'm happy. You know, I have to go home. I will call you when I get home, okay? Yeah? Bye, sweetheart. I will call you, yeah? I'm happy. Bye.
Hello. Kumasi. Hey. Now wait. Hey, now say. Uko Ghana. Uko da ben. And then 20 me mama man here, Kumasi, and I'm so sebio, my friend that I'm so many show. Menam Jama Bonte so air pel. My cobro nini one bear 5 times, Linya, me quam, and then I call Punto, I mean, so what do I see? Now call Ghana club bomber man here, who of an impulse at the semi, call the bomber man here, plus of for sinners into me call back. Want me and Kashi and Chileme, and I'm so many namna me show me boy. I don't know so yes, sir. Ha? Me sorry ana ma frɛ maame na me bisa wase me sorry ana ma frɛ maame na me ne ko so say o maame se me twetwe wo mra me so me ni ba bia wo hye say wo come back to Ghana we tofu ba bia se bibia mokode e ko kodu bibia adeda na kwam kama o maame ben okay o de oba wo se me frɛ why o frɛ me ne makasa bibia sisi wa ma me kra kra abo atɔ yam kakra na de na wo ye die me hu ba bia wo nam mate me di broni na kokon to kwa chenchirenche o mate tu de be kasa so ma po aduma mi kofi ya Mati to be any Bekasa. Why? Okay. Why?